Good morning, you guys. Hello. It is 8:45. I've been up since like 7:30 or whatever, but I just stayed in bed. Read all your guys' awesome comments from my video that I posted. I don't know. I woke up today feeling... Seriously, Benjamin? Turn it down. I woke up this morning actually feeling like energetic. Like I just feel energetic today. There's a couple of things I wanted to make with my Cricut machine, and I'm not gonna make videos for it that I know of. But Benjamin's watching FGTV. So there's that. My place is still a mess, but that's okay. I'm gonna clean off my kitchen still, and I'm gonna work on some laundry today. I really want to get out of the house today, so we will see how that goes. Probably not. I always say I do, but I don't. But other than that, we're just gonna have a nice relaxing day. The sun is out. I have no idea what the weather is supposed to be like. It's probably gonna be depressing like it usually is, because that's the way it is. It is currently 26 degrees outside, and the high is going to be 39. So it looks like it's gonna get warmer during the weekend, so that's even better. So let's just go on to getting the kids some breakfast. Hey, you guys. So I'm up and Adam, I've had breakfast. Charlotte's taking a nap. She's actually been taking a nap for I think like an hour and a half now. Awesome. I got to enjoy my breakfast. I got a shower in. I kind of just did my hair. I did this like hair thing that these are so hard to find, and then one day I was at Walmart and I'm like, oh my god, there they are. But it's like a little like headband thing that's like spiky. It's kind of cool. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna dress up today. But today I'm gonna probably stay at home. I might go somewhere and get food. Might. I'm not really, you know, hoping for that. But right now I'm on my second load of laundry that I am doing right now. And I started putting the stuff away. So today I might not get 100% of it done. I still got like maybe 2 more loads to wash. And then I want to be finally 100% caught up with laundry. So then when it fills up again, I can do another load. It fills up again, I can do another load. So that's what I'm trying to do. I just don't want to overwhelm myself. I'm going to clear off my kitchen table today. That is a goal. And my desk is a mess. It's always been a mess. I don't know why. I'm a very organized person. Like, even in my mess, I know exactly where it's at. And then Graham's like, you need to clean your desk. You need to clean your desk. So I'm going to just start going through stuff. A lot of it's just coupons and receipts and all that stuff. So I'm just going to start going through it and throw stuff, organize everything, because it just truly needs it. My Jell-O that I made last night is finally done with, so I'm going to put some bananas on it in just a second. I just want to kind of clear the majority of my desk off. But every time Graham comes home at night, I'm like, Graham, oh, did you notice something? Did you notice something? He's like, what? And I'm like, Graham, it's the most obvious thing, you know? So I make him like look around to see what I did. And he's like, oh, you cleaned the kitchen, you cleaned the kitchen. And I'm like, yeah. So then last night I'm like, what did I do? And he's looking all over the place. He's like, I don't know what you did. He's like, oh, you got rid of all your craft stuff in the corner. And I'm like, yes. So I've been surprising him with something that I did, you know, for the day. So today I really want to clean the kitchen table. It's actually not that bad. It's just a lot of stuff that I don't want Charlotte to touch, and some of my craft stuff that I'm going to bring downstairs. We have a landing upstairs, like a landing like right here. I can't do the... like right here. And I just put stuff in there like that I want to bring upstairs. So I want to get some of that stuff off of there too. So I'm working on it. I'm working on it. I really want to go to Walgreens because there's like 3 things that I want to get. But it's not a big deal if I don't go. Not totally cool, or not Karen. And then I want to make 1 Cricut thing today. Maybe 2. Maybe 1, maybe 2. I've been trying to just do some stuff. And my mother-in-law is like, where are you going to put it? Where are you going to put it? Now, everything that I make doesn't actually have to have a home. Some of that stuff I could be making for somebody for a gift. I just want practice with it. You know, there's tons of other things. I don't have to have a home for everything. So, that is that. But I think today is going to be actually a productive day. I'm not, like, tired. I'm not in pain. The weather is cold, but the sun is out. So, that makes things a whole lot better. And there's a video that I want to post possibly today. If not, I'll post it tomorrow. We will see. And then I was thinking of story time videos for you guys. Because a lot of you guys, well, the video that I posted yesterday, it shouldn't have been a positive story time. But, you know, it's to help people. But I have a couple of ideas of story time videos that I want to do. So I found out one that I'm gonna definitely do, and then I'm trying to figure out like some other stuff that I'd had for couponing experiences. But other than that, you know, I'm excited to have a productive day. That's all I want to do, is have a productive day and surprise Graham when he gets home. So I'm going to continue cleaning my mess of a desk. If you guys see it, like, it's a mess, and I'm going to continue cleaning it, and that's just the way it's going to be. Hey you guys, so it is 2:43. I did clean off my entire desk, but then I just got the mail, and so the mail's kind of messy, but I did clean it all. I just got a little bit of this. This is all my craft stuff that I'm going to put downstairs, and then like the rest of this stuff, I just had some Jello, but this, you guys, is completely cleaned off. I scrubbed it clean. Everything is clean, so I'm happy about that. I was on the phone with my mother. My camera's acting weird. I was on the phone with my mom for a while, so I talked to her. I'm doing my laundry. I'm putting it away as it gets done, so I'm on top of things. I got to empty the dishwasher in just a second, but you guys know what? I'm really getting stuff done. I'm really getting stuff done. Let me show you guys the checklist that Graham actually wrote up, and he told me to do it. So I'm going to be a smart butt and X it off for him. So this is what he told me, you guys. This is what he made for me. He did this like little checklist that if I vacuum and mop the kitchen, I'll get 20 bucks. If I clean the landing, I'll get $20. Vacuum the bedroom floor, 20 bucks. Clean my desk, laundry, the boxes and the totes off the finished basement, all the toys picked up in the kitchen island. So I'll get $210 if I do all this stuff. So what I am doing is I am putting a check mark on the stuff that I did. Sorry, there's something on my screen. And yeah, he's like, the only way I can get you stuff done is if you're money motivated. And I'm like, that's not true. I have been wanting to get stuff done. But I just put that in a fund, you know, just, I get it I put it in my desk somewhere, and then like when I really need the money, I look for it. Because I don't like charging a lot of stuff. I like just to pay cash. That's just what kind of person I am. But yeah, my back is killing me. It's like my upper back. I gotta take some Advil or Tylenol or something, but my back is killing me. I don't know what it is. I just like pulled something. But I'm gonna, yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. But I haven't touched the kitchen table yet, so I gotta work on that. That's probably the next thing I'm going to do. And then just put all this craft stuff downstairs. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And you guys, I filled like a whole garbage bag full of stuff. Now this was also in my garbage, but that's pretty much stuff that was just on my desk. It's crazy. It's crazy. So yeah, I'm just happy that I'm finally getting stuff done. Like finally getting stuff done. So I will check back with you. Hopefully. Nope, not hopefully. We are going to get the kitchen table cleaned off. So yeah. So you guys, I actually had a productive day. I haven't even like literally sat down to watch anything today. Except like, actually no, I watched Lego Masters. That's like one episode that I watched. I haven't watched the new one that came out tonight though. But I did 4 loads of laundry. Put everything away. Everything's put away, which I felt excited for that. I cleaned the table up 100%, so it's 100% clear. Dad will be home in a couple of minutes. I cleaned off my desk 100%. I cleaned off the countertop, you guys. Like, I just cleaned a bunch of stuff. I mean, right now I'm working on another project, but I mean, I cleaned it off. I cleaned it up, so I just gotta pick up a little bit more stuff. But other than that, I feel like I had a successful day. Might not seem like it, but I did get a bunch of stuff done. And that's my point, is I'm just so far behind on cleaning that I can't just catch a break. But if I can keep up with, you know, keeping everything straightened up and keeping everything together, then, you know, then it won't be so easy. That's why I'm just so overwhelmed with everything, and that's why I don't want to do it. That's why the depression kicks in. But you know, like, you guys are just giving me stuff about the toys. Yeah, I have to do it and I have to get motivated, but it's just I'm too overwhelmed with that stuff, and I am throwing stuff away, but I really need Graham's help with this. I really need his help, or he needs to take the kids away and I do it all on my own. But I feel like I did get a lot of stuff done. My living room is actually not that bad. I mean, there's just some stuff here and there, But my living room is actually, Ben keeps moving the furniture. Like I don't know why he's moving the furniture. But I gotta put the table back. But I just feel like I got a lot done, you guys. Like, it might not seem like it, but I mean, the way my table was earlier, it was bad. It was bad. I just have my like laptop on my computer, on my table, because Ben FaceTimes with Grandma and Grandpa, and I want to leave that on there. Right now I'm working on a Cricut project, you guys. I did not realize this was going to take me forever, but I am doing a Disney thing. It says, in this home we love, I don't know, it says we, and then there's snowflakes, let it, okay, we let it go because Hakuna Matata and the bare necessities will always be our guide. And then, hold on, I don't have it all. And then to infinity and beyond, all it takes is faith, trust, and a little bit of pixie dust. While we just keep swimming, we whistle while we work, we believe in happy endings, and know life is better under the sea, because in this home we do Disney. So this is, I've been working on this for like, we've been watching Frozen 2, and I've been working on this that long. It's like, it's a lot of work, but I'm pretty excited for that. I'm gonna put it, yeah! I'm gonna put it in, I just cleared this one off. I'm gonna put it in this like little frame. And then I don't know what kind of background I'm gonna do. I know I didn't do a video for it, but you guys, I feel so proud of the stuff I've been doing. I mean, the laundry. This is the first day I kept up with the laundry and I got it done. I feel so successful. My kitchen has never been this clean in a week. I feel so successful, you guys. Like, I'm just, I feel so much better, and now since I'm finally getting caught up, it won't be that bad. I won't be stressing out. I just gotta work on a little bit more stuff. Right. Yeah. I just gotta work on a little bit more stuff, but you know, that's fine. It is 9:12. Both kids are up. Don't care. Charlotte used to go to bed at like 7, but then she'd always wake up like, you know, a little bit later. And so I'm just kind of keeping her up, because with me, I don't need as much sleep, and she might be the same way. But I'm gonna keep her up until Daddy gets home, and then we'll put her to bed, because Grandma will be home like any minute, and I'll put her to bed. Ben I'll be putting to bed, and then I'm gonna just have a nice relaxing night. I'm gonna try to, I'm not even gonna finish Virgin River. I gotta finish it. I got like 2 episodes left, or an episode and a half, but I was like, I just want to finish it. And then I started watching Sister Wives, like the whole entire series. It's like 14 seasons. I've seen a couple here and there, but it's like, I don't know. I just want to binge watch something, and I don't know why I like Sister Wives. It's just kind of weird. It's just kind of weird, but you know what? That's just the way I am. So I'm gonna get Miss Charlotte ready for bed. She's got a blue mouth. I should probably put something in her mouth, but look at her little nightgown. Yes, it's like, hello, 90% off Target. I don't know why she's not focusing. Hello, 90% off Target. Yeah. Yeah. So, yes. And I hate to say this, you guys, but I think Target's going to be going 90% off in the next 2 or 3 days. And I need some thrill in my life. I really do. And I just want to go to Target, because they always have good deals on Pop, too. So, I'm going to probably go there when next time I need some food, you know, just getting some food stuff, and I'll hit the 90% off when it does go. I'll make a video for it for sure, you guys. But other than that, I'm going to relax with my children. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm excited I got a successful day.